I think you have already created the project and named the project. So those who have the microbit processor, select the connect device, then next, and select the microbit and connect. Then finally, done should be there. Therefore, it is possible for even beginner to follow the process. Especially in this connection is the availability to access even Sinhala as shown in below. So using this one, we can access the Sinhala also. So when we go to more, we can change the settings. So to do these steps, more language Sinhala have to be followed. Once the coding is done, it can display the microbit model in block editor. So I think no need to change into Sinhala. As most of them are uh, doing in the English medium, please use the English format. Don't go to the Sinhala because the most of the keywords are really hard. Say this is Bhagata, like the different keywords are there in Sinhala. Don't change the font. So use the English terms, okay? Practical usage of microbit module. So we are going to use the practical. So to access the website, make code.bid.org. This is the one which I already sent you to the group. The image similar to 4.7 shown, the click blocks on it. Coding can be easily done by connecting blocks or else computer programming like Java, Python, C++, etc. can be used for programming. So for this program, we can use the Python programming, C++, Java also. When starting new project, okay, I will highlight that. So later we'll write, you must write it, okay? So time being on it. You can use the C++, then Java, Python with this one. When starting a new project, block editor shows two blocks as shown in the figure 4.8. Start, initial accept. This is the starting one. Then forever means repeating. Work is included here. To get more blocks types, click on the menu in block editor. So there is a block editor. Menus are there. Display a number. So we are going to show a number. So show number 0, display a number. Create different patterns, LED, 25 LED bulbs are there. Select LED pattern, display type. So now we are going to use this. And this one will do one by one. Practical is not there in this one. We'll move to the workbook. Okay, in workbook, very first practical is the displaying the word Sri Lanka. So connect the microbit module computer and use the block editor. This is page number 30 in your workbook. The code following items using block. Start, forever, basic items are there. So then on start and change to Sri Lanka. So LED bulbs are going to light up with into change Sri Lanka. Show starting, you just type the Sri Lanka. Pause 2000 milliseconds. So it's going to wait 2000 milliseconds. And show the number 1. Pause and change it to 1. That means Sri Lanka. Then it will pause 20 milliseconds. So shall we try this one? Drag and go to the basic. Everyone, please do with me. Go to the basic and show string, drag and drop it. Type there Sri Lanka. and you are going to, now you can see it in the Arduino board, which is there in the sorry, a microbit processor. You can see the letters are moving Sri Lanka. When you make it bigger, see, this is the online, as same as it's happened. After you upload it, it will happen in your microbit also. That's fine. And you just check your microbit processor. Sri Lanka will display on the microbit processor. Others in your screen, it will display. Okay. Then next step was you have to make it to a 2000 millisecond pause. Ne? So give that one also. Pause 2000 millisecond. Drag and drop the pause 2000, make it as 2000 millisecond. Then show number 1. Okay. Uh, that is forever. We play that one for you. Number 1, then Sri Lanka is displaying. Again, it will pause 2000 millisecond. You have to press the button A. Or even though if it is not there, it's automatically working. It's it take 2000 millisecond delay and then again starting. Or else if you want it make fast, then you have to click on the button, start button on the left hand side, A button. Okay, so this is the practical what you must do there. And on start, they are asking to make shine. So that is the experiment tool. Eh? Okay, so I'll check whether everyone okay with this. Let me know whether you have any issues or whether you have done it properly. Very first practical. 1, Sri Lanka, then pause 2000 milliseconds. Okay, again continuing that. Okay, we'll move to the next practical. Page number 32. Music is not, mic is not okay. Next one, forever, we can give some icon even. Right mark. You can apply the right mark forever even. Start, then forever right mark. So they're asking to drag and drop this part for the start, then give the right mark. Okay, do it now. Drag and drop the this part here, then forever at the right mark. and then check it. Okay. Then make that right mark into another symbol that is going to end with the right. Let me right mark will keep forever. Okay. Start and repeat this. Then run this part. Then forever, let it be there with the right. There are many symbols. See how we can change it. Smile faces are there, hearts are there, Superman or something like that. Okay. Okay, now everyone see whether it's working. Take your writing book and copy. Coding can be easily done by connecting blocks or full stop or else computer programming languages like JavaScript, JavaScripts, JAVA, Java, scripts, SCRIPTS, script, comma, Python, C++, etc. can be used for programming. Okay. Actually, you can do more practicals on this one. If you are very enthusiastic with this, very keen on this, then you can end up with a nice robot. Okay. Through online even you can make nice robot. Just try these things. Okay. Did you all copy this? Okay. I can do the next one as well. Some student has that scouting meeting. Eh? I'll just ask you to change the name in your Arduino screen. That will do only that. Okay. And those who need, you may can leave and log into the school scouting meeting. May just try this one. Now we have done the Sri Lanka. So instead of Sri Lanka, type your name. Try that. Now next question is instead of Sri Lanka, type your name. Change Sri Lanka into name. And try it. Those who want to join for the scout meeting, you may can join now. Change the Sri Lanka into your name and run it. And give the right mark. Okay, that's all. We run and see. Okay, your name will display both the side. It is display in this practical section as well as this Arduino board also. Sorry, my microbit process also. Okay. This will end up with the right mark. Quickly try this one. Change your name. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any issues, just ask me. Is this clear? So final one, display your name with the same way and finally end up with the right mark. Okay. So we have done only two practicals there, Sri Lanka and this one. Forever, after executing this part, it will keep remain forever. And the other hand, if you put the start, instead of start, if you give, just look at this one. In the very first one, what we did, we just keep remain here. And if you put here and execute, what will happen? Sri Lanka will keep on repeating. This is the very first one what we did. Okay. So now the final one, we change it into this way. Okay. And take it. Okay. That means we have done all together three practicals. Huh? First one was forever repeating like this. The name is going to repeat. Sri Lanka is going to repeat forever. Then what we did, forever we put the right mark over this part, the Sri Lanka display and one. Then final one, I asked you to change the Sri Lanka into your name. Okay, that's all for today. Stop the class then.